Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming to prove it. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.